Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, baby. This is the day 8, traveling from Vienna to Ljubljana in Slovenia. So, a bit cold today, cloudy and cold.
It's not been cold all these days?
No, it's a bit of wind chill is there, but generally been sunny, but today it's gotten a little cloudy.
I saw your sunglasses invitation to the
Sorry?
sun. I saw your sunglasses invitation to the sun and all the
I
events.
think he will come back this morning. We started at 8 a.m. so
Okay. How are you? Back and
Good.
legs and
good,
arms.
baby.
and-
Lot of events, spectacular response in every city. Thousands of people, very good response. All of them enrolling in the Earth Buddies. People have been great, really, and all the teams are working well. Everything is in place here and there. First few days, small hitches, but now I think everybody is getting into the groove. So things are going well.
I'm following a lot of it on social media, and it's nice to see like other people posting. It's not just people who are at the event, but people who are not able to make it to the event are also posting and participating. So that was really nice to see.
Look at the confidence that our teams have in me. In these 100 days, there is not a single day of contingency. Whoa.
I don't know if
Every day we are either traveling or we have 3 to 5 events every day. So
that's
I
on
hope,
you, isn't it? You're the one who
my-
set that standard in the last 20, 30 years.
my back will hold up, but my throat, too much talking. Endlessly I'm speaking to groups of people, but it's going very well.
Are you eating, sleeping, or just riding and talking?
Uh, you know how food and sleep is in my life.
I know it doesn't define your life, but a person's got to eat.
It comes when it comes, what to do.
Are you eating the local food, or are the teams preparing some food for everybody?
There is a cooking team, but sometimes, it's hard for them we just get there and we just have 10-15 minutes to eat, so I'm not tasting any local food or anything. Generally, I don't know, bread, butter, salads. Carrying a lot of soaked groundnut with me. Groundnut is keeping me going.
Groundnut has been there for many years now.
Yeah.
Then how's the event is in Czechoslovakia? Sorry, Slovakia? I'm sorry, I missed what you said.
Slovenia.
Slovenia.
So we're heading towards it. Look at the way, this is our everyday schedule is. It's a 5-hour ride and going straight to the event.
And then?
We were supposed to leave at 8, we left at 8:20, I think. 2 o'clock we have an event, so I think we'll have to speed up a bit to get there on time. It's a media event, so I have to be there.
Okay. Will you have time to change, or you're just going to go straight and riding?
Yeah. It's, physically it's a bit of a challenge, but I think this needs to be done.
I think it's once in a lifetime for all of us. So if the rest of the teams are there to support and make sure it happens, then it'll happen. It has to happen.
Nations are responding very well. Almost all the nations, the lawmakers that I've spoken to, extremely positive response. In the next 3 to 4 months or maximum 6 months, most nations will be officially talking about the soil policies for sure. Not only the nations we have gone through, even the others, because I've been communicating with various, countries' representatives. They are all very eager to make this happen. They're very apologetic why we did not pay attention to this.
I think you said before that everybody is aware of the problem. It's just not been enshrined in legal policy. Everybody knows it's an issue. But
I'm on, this motorcycle is on miles. It is not on kilometers. So sometimes I'm a bit it says 130 kilometers, I'm doing 130 miles.
I don't think everybody needs to know that.
Then I realize nobody's catching up with me, what's happening. Then I see that it's miles. Slow down.
This is the problem with an American bike.
We could have actually gotten it changed. They said it will take much more time to do it, so we didn't have the time. So,
well, we'll see you in Ljubljana.
Yeah.
At the event and all the live events.
Yeah.
Okay. Have a good ride. Namaskaram.